91, a vehicle accident, Clinton Township, 537 Old Road, the Montgomery Area Community Center, multiple injuries with entrapment.
Wake from your sleep, the drying of your tears. Today we escape, we escape. Pack and get dressed before your father hears us, before all hell breaks loose. Sing us a song to keep us warm. There's such a chill, such a chill.
emergency?
Oh, I'm at Montgomery Area High School District, the community center, the complex, the athletic complex. Colin, are you okay?
All right, the Montgomery Community Center. You know the address there?
No, it's the sports complex.
Okay, I'm showing it to be there on Old Road. Are you right off of, like, Grandview Drive?
I believe so. Grandview Drive?
What's going on there?
Sir, there's been an accident. There's been an accident. One of them's dead. One of them's dead.
Is anybody trapped or pinned in the vehicle?
I think so. They all look to be trapped. I don't know.
Okay, what's your name?
My name's Braden Foreman.
All right, Braden, take a deep breath for me here. I'm going to start help, all right? I'll be right back. I have a few more quick questions for you.
Okay. Tell me. Please. Colin. Maddie, are you okay? Maddie! Let's check it out.
I'm recording.
Let me see. Oh, crack it open.
Oh, yeah, I got it. Oh, yes, sir.
Oh,
what do we got? Coon's a beast at cup now. Oh, damn.
Let's see it.
Come on, now.
Oh. Okay, let's see it.
All right, ready?
Oh. Oh.
All right.
You gotta get one. Hi, shooting right here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you guys want some food? Coon, my man.
Oh, there you go, Coon.
Back. Yeah. No way, guys. He just pulled up.
Oh, it's Gabe.
It's Gabe. Gabe! My man.
Boy, Gabe.
Yes!
Let's go, Gabe.
He's got it!
There he is. Hey, it's Colin.
Oh man, no, I'm not drinking tonight. Low scale.
Oh.
Oh, come on, Colin, come on.
No. I don't want to drink. Why are you even here? I can have fun still. Maddie, you're not drinking too, are you?
It's just a little bit. It's not bad.
Oh, come on.
Colin.
It's just a little bit. I mean, come on, it's not so. I think we're gonna head out. I'm sorry.
Colin, you can't be serious.
It's not for me.
Colin, come on, man.
I'm sorry.
Do something about this guy, come on.
Come over to beer pong.
Oh, yeah, beer pong.
Yeah, just one, keep one going.
Colin.
Hey,
Why did you even show up though? You can have fun and not drink.
Whoa.
What are you doing?
Whoa.
it's fine, bro. He's just messed up. He's just a little drunk.
We're gonna.
Can we just go?
Yeah, we're just gonna go. That's fine.
All right. See you, Colin.
Bye.
Man,
Dude, he's seriously leaving?
I guess.
I
Damn.
don't know. Honestly, come on, man. That was too far. You can't be doing that, bro.
Why is he here in the first place?
He just wanted to have fun. You don't have to drink to have fun. You don't want to drink, man.
You told me to come here and bring alcohol.
I know I did. Listen, if you're not, just leave then. Wow.
I will leave.
Come on, Gabe.
No,
Gabe, you
I
can't
didn't
drink
go
and drive.
Like that.
Gabe, you're
No, Gabe,
you're
dude.
drunk, dude.
No.
Gabe, come on.
Gabe.
Gabe, no, come on, Gabe, just stay here. Come on,
You're
dude.
clearly drunk.
You can't drive.
Driving.
Gabe, you could hurt someone, Gabe. Come on.
Gabe.
Just stay here. Gabe, come on.
Bye, Gabe.
Gabe, stop.
Bye, buddy.
Austin, knock it off.
Austin, come on.
I don't know what to do.
I don't know, man. What are you gonna do?
We have to go get him. I mean, he's gonna kill somebody.
But we can't. We're both drunk.
No. Here, how about we'll sober up a bit. We'll wait. I'll get some water. You know, we'll go out in like an hour and a half or something. Make sure they're okay.
Yeah.
He's too messed up to drive though.
Yeah. Well, we gotta make sure we're good to go.
I just hope they're okay.
I know.
I've been texting them this whole freaking time and they haven't answered or anything.
I don't know.
What is that? No!
That's Colton's car. That's Colton's car.
Jesus Christ.
What if I'm got out there? I don't know.
Go. Brayden, you gotta call 911. You gotta call 911.
Please wake up! Wake up, God! Please! Connor, are you okay?
It's okay. They'll be okay.
There's been an accident. One of them's dead. I think so. They all look to be trapped. I don't know.
It's okay. They'll be okay. Tell them to hurry. They'll be okay.
Maddie, are you okay? Maddie!
Hey, let's check in the others.
Hey, what are you? Get out! I told you!
Hey,
I told you!
It's okay.
Don't deal with me! Hey, get back here! I told you, man! I told you!
It's okay.
You were drunk! You killed him! You killed him!
It's okay.
You killed him, Gabe!
No. Let him go.
We gotta check on the other. Sir,
involved in this?
Please, there's someone dead. He's dead.
Calm down.
Oh, look at him.
What's your name? Are you Gabe? Are you Gabe? Yeah. Were you driving the car over here? I heard you're coming from a party with your friend's house. Yeah. Okay. can I talk to you over here, buddy? Don't move your head, just follow with your eyes. Do you understand? Try not to move your head, okay? Alright, I'm gonna have you stand where you are, okay? I gotta have you do a couple steps for me, okay? You may begin. Alright, Gabe. I'm gonna have you put your feet together for me. Keep your arms down at your side. Remain in that position until I instruct you otherwise. Do you understand? Alright, what are you gonna do for me, okay? This is a preliminary breath test, alright? You're gonna blow through the straw with a steady stream of air until I tell you to stop. When you're ready. Keep going, 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 stop. Okay. Alright, here's the deal, okay? I know you said you didn't have anything to drink, but I could clearly tell that you have drank tonight and that you are incapable of operating a vehicle safely. Have you been drinking a little bit tonight? No? Okay. So this is what we gotta do. You have your parents at home? Okay, so this is what we gotta do. We gotta go to the hospital. I gotta get a blood draw from you. Okay? I do believe you're under the influence, so I'm gonna need to have you put your hands behind your back. Okay, nope. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Relax.
Township, 537 Old Road, the Montgomery Area Community Center. Multiple injuries with entrapment related to that.
Drive you away. I know what you'll say. You say, oh, someone you know. But I promise you this, I'll always look out for. That's what I'll do. Say I say my heart is yours. It's you that I hold on to. Yeah, that's what I do. I know I was wrong.